Welcome to the world of Panasonic, the #1 appliances brand in Japan. Introducing the V10 series, India's truly smart washing machines. This fully automatic top load has a 5-star energy rating and is also available in multiple capacities and colors. It can be connected to Panasonic's Miraie App, which lets you remotely operate the machine from anywhere in the world. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to give voice commands from the comfort of your home. Using the Miraie app, you can select from a range of 15 preset wash programs or even customize the wash options according to your wash loads. You can even save them as a favorite for use next time. When your clothes are customized for every occasion, why should your wash cycles be the same? With the Wash Wizard feature, let the machine's intelligence take over to give you a truly customized wash cycle every time. The Wash Wizard customizes the cycle based on the fabric type, color, dirt level, and more. Do you love wearing whites but avoid them because you are scared of accidentally soiling them? The StainGenius feature comes to the rescue. This comprehensive guide gives you pre-treatment options customized for different types of stains, so you always get only the best results. The smart built-in heater selects the right water temperature based on the fabric and how soiled the clothes are. It also eliminates up to 99.99% bacteria while removing stubborn grime and stains. The active foam system creates a dense foam which attaches itself to the dirt and dries it away from the fabric, without damaging it or leaving any detergent marks. The gentle hand wash feature is designed to give your delicate garments better care than regular hand wash. The dedicated net accessory protects the delicate embroidery, sequins, or other handiwork on your expensive outfits while gently washing away all impurities. And if this isn't enough, it also uses the Miraie app to send you weather alerts, so you can plan your laundry days accordingly. What's more, you can also get regular maintenance reminders and can access service at just one touch. Handy, isn't it? The advanced sensors of the ECONAVI technology detect water temperature and wash loads to automatically adjust operations to save energy and water. You can even track your water and energy consumptions for each wash on the Miraie app. This feature-loaded washing machine is not just smart but also good-looking. The sleek design combined with the soft closing lid is inspired by Japanese aesthetics and blends easily into any decor. Get smarter, more hygienic, and more efficient laundry with the V10 series of fully automatic top-load washing machines from Panasonic.
Panasonic.